Hello everyone, BillPC264 here, and I am recording the OR server. Now if you guys don't know what the OR server is, it's a redstone server made for Minecraft. And basically, this is my plot. Hold on, let me raise my chunks. Quick zoom by of these chunks. Come on. Jeez, lucky chunks. But anywho, let me get a sky view. There we go. This is my plot. That's Florana. It's a she. And she's my Starbound character. In other words, and well, she's the exact same thing as my skin, as you can see. Oh, that's my friend's FC Josh, which is OR core, which is a display. Jeez. And this right here is my working in progress computer. I have RAM, AOU, which I'm going to get rid of and replace it with this AOU once I perfect it. I have ROM, I have program counter, a control panel, which is hooked up to I/O, and busing, lots of busing. But I'm going to check cameos. I mean, no, not cameos. Sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Cremulo's place. So /TP. Oops. Capital C. Oh wait, it's the Cremulo. This is his decimal counter, I believe. Looks neat. But anyway, this is Cumulo's place. Again, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing his name right. But this looks like some kind of adder. Actually, I think it is an adder. Oh, okay. thought this repeater was somehow interacting with this repeater and I was locking it, but no, this one was locking this one. Okay. Oops. Video. Yeah, I think this might be some kind of counter of some sort. Maybe a failed attempt. Oh, and I guess that's Crimio's YouTube channel. There's also tons of other stuff he built. There's this, which is a lift shift. So there's one bit there. There's one bit there, and the rest are off. If I ever press this button, that one bit that was over here moves over to here. That shifts to the left. Pretty neat. This is a COF XNOR. I have no idea what the COF stands for. But it's a XNOR. Pretty much is a XOR, but inverted, I believe. Not all that sure. 4x4 read-write 8-bit RAM. RAM is random access memory, and you can write data into it and save it. So like, well, let's read what type of data he has saved. Where does this saved data goes to? How do you read it? Oh, okay, that's off. That's on, okay. So basically it's not reading now, but when I flip this lever, it reads. Neat. Isn't that supposed to go off? Oh. And is it inverted? Is the output inverted? Hmm. Okay. So let's get that. This down here is a Morse code. Okay. Morse or Morse code maker. And basically you press the button you want, and then you choose next. Pretty neat. Oh, come on. This, I have no idea what this is. As you can see. Scale. Yeah, Scale. There's that trying this out. What else? Oh. Hello, Adder. Is your CN on? No, it's not. Oh no, this is CN right here. Hey, which direction is it going? Oh, right here, CN. I'm a ghost. Invert A, invert B, or flag carry. Neat. So this is a ALU adder. Pretty neat. This is, what is this? Taco C DSN. What is DSN? In other words, DCN. What does that do? I never heard of such thing. Oh, okay, they're lettered they're lettered. Okay. What are these? Pretty much the same thing, just not lettered. And this thing is a, I'm thinking a number processor. I think it's still working in progress. A lot of buzzing here. All so compact. Wonder if he's run out of room. Possible. Possible. Anywho, I'll give a quick tutorial of my plot. I mean, not tutorial, actually, yeah. Home. I set my home to my plot, so whenever I want to go home, I just slash home. Hello, Alex. Hi. Alex, you're on my video. I believe that's Alex, right? Yeah, it's Alex. Come on, chunks, load up. Okay, let's start at the beginning. This right here is my was my first attempt to make an adder from Wikipedia. Well, the adder cinematic was from Wikipedia, but it works. So like, if one lever is on, the output is 1. If one lever is on, the output is 1. If 2 levers are on, here's the piston go off, the output is 0, but the C out, or south, I guess, if you pronounce it like that, would be on, in other words 1. And if C in was on, or sen, it would be 1 with a C out. By the way, this was my very first attempt to make my very own XOR. It's very big. This is my second attempt to make XOR. It's smaller, but it's still big. So if 1 is on, the output is 1. If, come on, if 1 is on, the output is 1. But if both is on, the output is off. That's XOR. This right here is my, oh, chunks unloading behind me. The sun is always up there. So, because of shaders. The shader pack I'm using, by the way, is, Mr. Meep's, X3S shaders, version 04.0 RC4 Lite. I cannot do the regular it's too laggy for this computer. It's too resource intensive. And it's actually doing pretty smooth for recording. Let me see. Yeah, I'm recording. Actually, how long have I been recording for? 20 minutes. Okay. But this is my Lights Out game. If you never heard of Lights Out is a game where if you press one button, or if you toggle one light, it toggles the ones around it. And basically, you're supposed to get all the lights off. Because warning. But, yeah, this is my very own design. Made all by myself. And I had to change one thing when I moved it over to the server. I had to change the T flip-flop. It wasn't like this in my single-player design, because my single-player design used a villager for the T flip-flop. But mobs are disabled, so yeah, you can see what I mean. Come on, there we go. But that I didn't build. All is in white, and some things I have not built. Most of the stuff I build is in wool, other colors of wool, not just white and quartz and things like that. I do build in them sometimes. But this right here is my second adder, and let me get some light. Glowstone. That's better. Some light here. Right next to the sign. Okay. So basically, where's my sword? Don't want to break anything. But yeah. Come on. Cute. Go away. I hate laying glitches. So they're both off. And this was my second attempt to make a header. Oh, and by the way, I forgot to show you that this thing does work. On the buttons, it toggles the lamp. Press it again, it toggles the lamp. But anyhow, here is a 2-bit adder. I can do this. I can do three, which is 1, 2, plus 1, because this is A, this is B, this is A, and this is B. So 1 plus 2, no, 1 plus 2 equals 3, plus 1 equals 4. So we should get an output of 0, which we do, with C out. Right here. So when this torch is on, that means C out is on. I believe. Let me check. No. Come on. There we go. I keep forgetting which direction I have to look whenever I'm trying to jump. Yeah, I'm right. I don't know why these are here. Oh. Okay, that makes sense now. Yeah, okay. Don't know why these are here. Oh, wait a minute. Might need a light. Yeah, I need a light. There we go. But basically, yeah, okay, yeah. So yeah, when that torch is on, that means it's outputting C out. This is I believe, adder. Yeah, it is. It's an adder built by someone else. If I turn that off, it should be a 1 over here. Yep, then that signifies an adder. This is another adder. This is the adder I used and this CPU design. I mean, not CPU, ALU. I found this one a long time ago. I don't remember where I found it. And I used it ever since. And chunks unloaded behind me. This is my ALU. My first ALU. Well, not really my first one. Actually, my third one. The first and second one was actually duds. But I can do something like, it's 8-bit, so I can do like 8-bit equals 255. So I'm doing 7 here. 1 plus 2 plus 4 equals 7. Plus 3, which should equal 10. I go way over here. Oh wait, I forgot to save B. Wait, is it B or A? B. Okay. So I set, come on. I set A, my B. There we go, it's B2. And now, you glitched. Jerky piston. Did you glitch over here as well? Yes, you did. Yes, you did. So it gives us 7. 1, 2, 4, 8. 8 plus 2 equals 10. To signify that actually works. Hey, don't turn back on. This way over here. Wait. These two I did not build. Someone else built those. Really? Lighting glitches hate light updates. This is my hard drive. It's not solid state, it's a hard disk. And I can flip the rotation whichever direction I want. The disk must stop before switching directions or else it will glitch. I can swap it if I can look fast enough. Quit. Shaders. There we go. See over there. It swapped a bit. Pretty neat. And yeah, and I can flip this lever to make it start. Rotate. Now this must stop as well in order to swap it. But it reads automatically. So the reading process is fine. To 0, there's a 1. Oh, 0. A 1. 0. 1. 0. 1. 1, a 1, 0, a 1, 0. Basically, like, stop it. Don't start up. Hate lag. Everybody does. Wait for that piston to stop, and then you swap directions. Come on. The bad thing is I have about 6 to 7 frames. Okay. 4 to 10 frames, I may say. But I swapped the direction. So it's going in clockwise. Now it should be going counterclockwise. Clockwise. And it is. And those 2 black wool there, that's the beginning of the drive. Tell the computer that that's the beginning of the drive, and the next one is the first bit. Clockwise. Now counterclockwise, that'll be the last bit of the drive. But it works, and I'm happy that it does. Now, in order to use it as a computer, I would see how I have to remove this block and this block, put a repeater here into this redstone dust, and maybe probably another repeater here, or put a block here to block this redstone down here. But anywho, it should work for you in your computer if you give it the right programming. Here is my binary comparator, internet data, well, internet/data transmitter and receiver. Mistype on the sign. I typed the receiver wrong. It's actually this, I believe. Not sure if I typed that right. But anywho, transmitter. I think I typed this wrong. No, not crooked, straight. Transmitter. Okay, that should be right. I'm not sure. But, I'll give it a 3. And I will send data. This will clear, and it downloads the data. And voila, a 3. 1 plus 2. Well, 1 plus 2. And over here we got 1 plus 2. Pretty neat internet idea. And it runs off comparators. Of course. It's in 1 tick per block, it's 2 ticks. It's 1 tick per 2 blocks. So it's faster than just one repeater after another repeater feeding on each other. Actually, I could make it even more better. Just do this. Yeah, that works. Which will make it 3 blocks per one of these. Leave it. And that'll just stay the same. There we go. And now it should be a little bit faster. So I'll put back in that 3. So I already cleared it. So now I press the button. download it a lot more faster. So yeah, it works, and I'm happy that it works. Now I'm gonna ask my friend, in other words my neighbor, FC Josh, if he wants to create a message system using binary. Like we could give each other binary messages to send to each other. And I think that would be a great idea. But it's up to him. That's his plot. I have a internet card all the way over here, which is called with the internet service called Me2You Internet Service. And as you can see here, there's two repeaters here. I mean, not repeaters, comparators. And basically, if he says yes, we could get an admin online and build a little road from my plot to his plot, and we could send data back and forth per plot. I mean, on plots. Which I'd say is a pretty cool idea. What is that? Oh, that's that thing up there, isn't it? Levers. Oh no, that's oh no, that's that thing right there. That's where the levers are. Okay. Psst. They're me. But yeah, this right here is my like old ALU I made. It was smart when I made it, but yeah, second ALU design thing. Design. That's supposed to be 2, that's supposed to be 1. There we go. Fix that. Is this fixed? No, it just says A and B. Okay. To this one. Not there, stupid one. There we go. And the only thing left is my RAM. Now the RAM, I'm not sure if someone else has already used this. Probably has. But this is a two-way RAM system I created. It uses a basic RAM cells, and basically it uses the repeaters going to the same line it came from, the data came from. So the data is going to the same line that it receives. So it sends and receives from one line. Well, it's from the same line. And those lines go up the tower over to the budded pistons. So, for example, it says, okay, so there's a 7 already saved. Let's say I read that. There's a 7 here. 1 plus 2 plus 4. Let's say I wanted to save a 3. Put these in. It's still a 7. But when I stop reading and write, it saves a 3. So now if I unload the data here, and then if I read, it writes a 3 into the data bus. And now for the almost final thing, my computer. Well, working in progress computer. This is something I've been working on for about a week now. FC Josh helped me computer and helped me do world edit. I can't do world edit because I'm student class, and students don't have world edit. Only builders and admins and teachers and anything higher than a student. But this is my ALU. It's better than that ALU way over there. Not this one. Way over there. Stop looping. Stop looping. Bus line, I guess. I'm not sure how to call this. But basically it breaks the bus here from looping continuously. That's why, like, if you're adding something in the adder won't just add and add and add and add and add while it's waiting for the next command. Here it will do whatever it's doing, and then it will save the data here, and then stop reading, and then allow the data to process. I got the program memory here, which is a basic countering program. Now I'm not sure if the program works or not. It's kind of in a debug mode. We got I got instant repeaters, which are made from 2 pistons, and pretty much these are pretty much instant wiring. Jeez. This right here is the exact same 2-way RAM system, just 4-bit, and it's smaller. The reason why is because this one doesn't use the 2-way piston repeater at the end here. It uses single redstone lines, and then these goes over to the pistons, which I say is pretty smart. And the I/O devices, there's only 2 remaining. This one is internet card. I still need to work on it. I still need to make 3 here. Do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and these all go inwards because this is data in. There you go. That's pretty much it. Now the control panel. Come on, get it. Not really much here. Just user input. User input detector. Just let me requester. Just let you know when it's requesting it or not. Computer tick. Computer power. And the display, other words output. Binary display, control panel, I/O, made by me, BLVC264. Whip computer, 4-bit by BLVC264. Me. Program loaded, adder using RAM, counter. It's a counter that uses the adder and RAM. And here are the helpers. FC Josh and computer in, and here hardware not fully working yet, having problems, sorry. So that means if you turn on the computer, it's not going to process correctly. It processes a 1, but after the 1 it goes very odd. I guess it didn't process correctly. This is another hardware problem where the counter likes to not listen. Oh wait, is it still in debug mode? What's wrong with you, Piston? That's better. Where that piston wasn't updated. But he gives a 1. And it's a little, and the output's a little finicky, may say that. But see there? It gives a 3. It's not supposed to give a 3. It's supposed to give a 2. There's something wrong with the hardware. And there, as you saw, it was a little finicky. I tried to give a 7. But if I remember correctly, last time I returned this on, it gave me a 6, I believe. That was a 5. That was a 1. But yeah, as you can see, there's seriously a hardware problem. Or software problem. I know it's the hardware because I tested this before. Before we changed the busing to instant wiring, it used to run fine. But since we sped it up, it's not been working properly. I haven't been paying attention to the chat. But yeah. Yeah, and I talked about Florana up there. And also, she is 3D pixel art. I'm not sure if I mentioned that, but yeah, 3D. 3 layers. Clothes, body, clothes. And that's pretty much it for her. And her name tag above her. This is a CPU. I believe it's called Algorithm. No, I don't think it is. Basically, blueprints. The black is the busing. The yellow is memory. The blue is the ALU. The pink is the I/O devices. The brown is the clock. And the sandstone is the program memory. However, it's wrong. And the orange is another I/O device, but it's output only, and it's a random number generator. But yeah, I have memory, which is down there. I have ALU, which is over there. I have a clock, which is down there. Well, actually, right there. And I have program memory, which is right there. The diode and all that stuff. And that's a lot. Here, oh, by the way, a teacher made that. Here, I've been doing some teaching. Well, I haven't been doing teaching. The teacher that built that, helped me build this, and he told me to build this by myself. And he taught me how to make an adder, how to understand it, all that stuff. It's like, I can do a 3. Yeah, no, 2. Wait a minute. Don't tell me there's something wrong with this thing. Oh, no, no, no. Okay, thank goodness. A 0 and a 1. I forgot there's torches on the end of these. Okay. So it does work. Drip on me. Again. But yeah, it does work. And I like it. Down here is a ore design with the adder. And it's pretty neat. And down here are all the functions for that ALU needs. Well, the ALU, yeah, ALU needs. Invert A, invert B, C, N, or flood carry, and kite carry. And this right here is my very own adder. I create it all by myself, no help whatsoever. Now I did need help debugging the second one because I built it incorrectly. And yeah. Okay, but I don't fully understand how it works. Okay, here's the thing. I know how to build things. I can build whatever I want, but I cannot explain most of the things that I built. It's just the way I am. I'm sorry. Like, the teachers and admins keep telling me, and the mods keep telling me, I have to know I have to know how they work before I can build them. I'm not like that. I'm the opposite. And, yeah. I'm a special needs kid, and I need to know certain things, but I can't tell certain things because I need help figuring out certain things. But it does work. Those down there are the outputs. But it does work. So let's say 2, which is a 2, with flood carry. What flood carry is just add 1. Does that work here? Oh yeah, flood carry is already, carry is already on there. Okay. So it makes all the input on. And if I please add carry? No. Weird. I forget how you subtract with this. I used to subtract either A or B, and that worked. I believe that's it. I'm not sure. This works. And I can do add 1, and now it's 3. Cut carry just cuts the carry line. So like there's a 1 here, and I can cut that. And what? Oh, not the scan. I had this exact same problem in my single player. Where's the lever? Not a pressure plate lever. Here we go. There we go. So now it's off. But if I turn off CC, and yes, I am aware that CC also means computer craft. Have I ever posted a computer craft video? I believe I have. Not sure. But anyways, it works. Yeah. What kind of frames am I getting? 10 frames. Not the greatest, but it'll do. Was the best I could get was shaders. That's pretty much my plot. This is FC Josh's plot, but I'm not going to preview it without his permission. And I'm not sure all the stuff there. I'm not sure what all the stuff there is. But he's my neighbor. He's also my friend. And let me look in my neighbor's chunks. / speed 10. Come on. Load up. Likey chunks. So yeah, the ones with the white out border means they're unknown. In other words, bound to no one. The ones with the gray stones one means they're bound to an owner. This is my neighbor, which is Spider Merm, and also underscore nano, I believe. Just to forget who it is. Ruin It Man 87. Portal Song. Once You Gone. I believe it is. Oh, does this one actually have a name now? Oh no, no, it's the one over there. Okay. This one is eb herb score underscore eb underscore herb. No, your underscore score. And basically, he has nothing on his plot. Whoa, too fast. This one is Dr. Da Bomb, and he doesn't build very much. He or she, I'm not sure if these people are male or female. And this one doesn't even have a sign. So I think this one bound to somebody, but then they got banned somehow. I'm not completely sure. There's my plot. You can tell because the second layer. FC Josh's plot. And these plots over here are... Well, these plots over here are unbound. This one is Billson 179, and he built pretty recently. I mean, not recently since this video's been posted, but I mean when this video is gonna be posted, but recently. But yeah, that's my plot, and this is the OR server. And you have to sign up in order to become a member. You gotta sign up, go to the forums. Well, actually, read the rules, go to the forums, follow the forum rules, fill out the appropriate form, and then you'll be a part of the OR server. Depending on what you're making, planning on becoming. If you're planning on becoming a builder, you have to be given a trial to see how good you are at redstone in order to be a builder. It's a trial. So, redstone trial. And basically, basically, you have to do your best at it. I'm still trying to become a builder, but I'm not there yet. I still have a lot to learn to do. I almost had it. I almost became a builder, but I lost it when I failed a simple question. How does an adder work? Because back then I did not even know how an adder calculates. Well, I mean, I knew how it worked. I just didn't know. I thought you wanted something more specific, and I was going overwhelmed, and I was going like, I don't know how to do this. So yeah. Oh, and I forgot about this thing right here. This is a fancy LCD screen display I made, and it's pretty awesome. It can do any character between 1 to 0 to 9, and A to F. So like, put this off. Whoa, why is that connected? That was odd. Quit. Come on. Okay, I'm turning this out. It's not going to cooperate with me. Come on. So, like here, there's an F. There's an A. There's a C. And pretty much you can make any character in hex. X is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F, and that's it. After F, it drops back down to 0, and branches at 10. But yeah, that's it, and hope you guys like this video. Share the video with any friends you think that might like this. Subscribe. I may put a subscribe on screen. And subscribe to help this channel. And yeah, thanks for watching. And also, I'm really happy that I got on the OR server. But yeah. So this is BuildPC264 signing off.